Welcome back, Buy Smart family. In today's episode, we're comparing two popular drones, the Foldable Brushless Motor Drone and the Ford DRC-V4 Mini Foldable Drone. Which one is worth your money? Let's find out. First, let's talk about price. The Foldable Brushless Motor Drone is priced at $119, offering a blend of advanced features without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Ford DRC-V4 Mini Foldable Drone comes in at a more budget-friendly $89. While cheaper, it still promises a good range of features. According to Amazon reviews, the Foldable is seen as a good value for its price, but some users have had issues with lost drones. Meanwhile, reviewers appreciate the Ford DRC-V4 for being a fantastic entry-level drone, especially for beginners and kids. Next up, camera quality. The Foldable sports a 1080p HD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens, giving you more flexibility in capturing those perfect shots. Meanwhile, the Ford DRC-V4 also features a 1080p camera, but with a 90 degrees electric adjustable angle. Reviewers note that the Foldable's camera is good for the price, but can be a bit shaky, whereas the Ford DRC-V4's camera is decent, but not exceptional. If you prioritize camera angles, Foldable wins this round. When it comes to flight performance, the Foldable Brushless Motor Drone boasts brushless motors, level 4 wind resistance, and speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. It's designed for those who crave high-speed adventures. In contrast, the Ford DRC-V4 is more of a stable flyer with its hover system and optical flow positioning. According to reviews, Foldable offers a smooth and quiet flight, perfect for experienced users, while the Ford DRC-V4 is great for beginners and kids due to its ease of control. Now let's dive into intelligent features. The Foldable is packed with functionalities like one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, altitude hold, 3D flips, and custom path flight. It's essentially a Swiss Army knife of drones. The Ford DRC-V4, however, isn't far behind with 3D flips, headless mode, trajectory flight, gravity control, auto-follow, and even VR capabilities. Reviewers love the Foldable for its versatile features, but highlight the Ford DRC-V4's VR mode as a unique selling point. Finally, battery life and portability. Foldable doesn't specify its flight time, but reviews suggest it may not be the best for long flights. The Ford DRC-V4 offers up to 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. Plus, it's foldable and comes with a carrying case, adding to its portability. Reviewers appreciate the Ford DRC-V4's portability and ease of use, making it ideal for those on the go. Overall, the Foldable Brushless Motor Drone is praised for its value, smooth flight, and customer service, despite some issues with lost drones and shaky videos. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini Foldable Drone is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and suitability for beginners, though it has some durability concerns. So, there you have it. Foldable offers high-speed adventures and versatile features, while the Ford DRC-V4 is perfect for beginners and those on a budget. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Buy Smart comparisons. Product links are in the description. Fly high and buy smart.